Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video, I will start writing our first Python program. I will show you how to write and execute Python program using GUI tool, or we can say Ideal Python tool, IDLE Python. So for that, again go to start, type Python here and select Ideal Python to write the program. Then this window will open. This is also look like same as command line tool window, but this tool is more interactive as compared to command line tool. So here we can write same statement as I have written in command line window, and then I press enter. It gives once again the same output result, hello Python. Okay, so here we can see different colors for different structures, as print function is highlighted in different color and hello Python, which is a string, is highlighted in different color, for example green color. So this tool UI looks more interactive. We can read program in a better way. Okay, so that's why many programmers are also using this tool. So this is the second way to write Python program. I hope you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.